I don't think that this car is meant for 2 people to sleep in. Very tiny. So all this stuff gets put, this and this we leave outside, and then all this other stuff goes in the front seat while we're sleeping. Anyways, we just got here to the Laurel Caverns. They open at 9. It's around 8 right now. Yeah, about 8:20. And in the meantime, just gonna read a book until they open. Hopefully we're allowed to record in there. That'd be sick. If I am, I will show you what they look like.
That's what we're going to be doing today.
If there's Caverns for afternoon, then well, we can pull in that next.
Yeah. Can't beat that.
Just want to sign this one here. For 2 of you, it would be $80. We just charge you for the morning session first, just in case at lunchtime you're letting you know we're not going
I want to show, since it's just you guys, I'm going to show you guys a couple dark passages here.
Cool.
This is here is an old dig site. We thought we could connect to another passage here.
Oh, dang. That's awesome.
Yeah, pretty cool. Now watch, I'm going to turn my light off, see how dark it gets. Then I'm going to show you the next dark passage. I'm going to show you our crawl areas where we take the kids to practice their crawls. Now I'm going to show you how low this is and where we go in at. It's going to be right over here. Take a peek up in there. You see that?
Dang.
That's a 5-6 minute army crawl. We go in this way, we come out this way, but it's like a big loop. You follow a blue rope back there and you're just on your stomach.
That's
and your knee.
awesome. Oh, that's good.
Look, there's
It's the outside. Oh. That's pretty sweet. Cold.
Yeah, it is. There's another fault line.
Yep. I like the chandeliers.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, no, I'm no longer at the Laurel Caves. We made it about 3.5 hours south to West Virginia. Now we're at this state park called Babcock in West Virginia. And this is our site, spot 24. It's really open. But the bathrooms are over there, so that's a good thing. Bathrooms and showers are over there. and I'm about to go explore this place. Just riding through the woods, happened to come across this. Damn. Yeah, if I had my Tivas, I'd go over there, but the trail is no longer rideable. I need my raft now.